This is what I'm dealing with. I stepped away for 5 seconds to change my daughter's diaper. The boys are going to lose their minds. They hear me though. Look, listen. Yeah. She's like, I hear mommy. Do you hear mommy? No. Check this out. They're going through a growth spurt. And if I were feeding one, the other one would be upset because it's not feeding. I don't care what those bitches online say. You cannot just feed both at the same time. Unless you can magically pick them up with one hand. Which I can't. Because 8.5 pounds and 7 pounds of baby being just lifted with one hand just doesn't work out. So, the people who breastfeed two at the same time obviously have some help, which I don't, because all I do all day is change diapers and feed babies. And this is what my house looks like. Look at that floor. My daughter sits on that floor. Terrible. Lily, I gotta change your butt. You gonna lay down up here? No. The answer is not no. Come here. You need to lay down up here is what I meant. See what I have to do with? No. No, she says. What a brat. What butt monkey. I love you. You love me? Goofy girl. Good job, man. We're gonna make it through this. I swear. We are. Somehow.